Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add playlist on TikTok. So let's get right into it. Once you open the TikTok app, then you have to go on your profile. And here you have to go on this button which is top right corner of the screen. Then hit settings and privacy. Simply here you have to scroll down and you have to hit on report a problem. Here we will go down again and we have to hit on creator tools. Hit on analytics and then hit on other. Hit on no. And then you have to hit on need more help. So guys, here we have to define what is the problem. So guys, once you're done with this brief, then you have to send it to TikTok team. It may take 24 hours to fix your problem, and after that you will be able to add playlist into your account. So guys, this is how to add playlist on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.